Okay. Lily's on a leash. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to walk with her. Kind of like let her lead the way. This leash is like really big. Okay. I think too big for a cat, but we'll see. Kind of letting her do the walking, not really pulling her. So far, so good. And the idea is eventually she'll walk forward. Like not trying to force her to go anywhere she doesn't want to go. How sick is this? Seriously. I think I'm proving through this series of videos that everything they say cats can't do, they very well can. And everything that's assumed only dogs can do, cats can do too. Fetching, all sorts of tricks, walking on a leash. Let's see. So now we're gonna go outside for the first time. Lily will probably be very excited to be able to go out. Here we go. So the funny thing is, where I live, they have rules about walking dogs on the property, but nothing about cats. Because who would even think to walk a cat? So for just in case, I'm gonna walk off the property where I live, and then we'll continue our walk. It's my cat, Lily. But they have rules about, walking dogs here. You know how they have rules about walking dogs here? One sec. You know how they have rules about not being able to walk dogs? I don't think anyone's ever thought to walk a cat, so they don't have rules against it.
I've had cats for ages, don't worry about it.
Yeah? Okay, I was just going to carry her off and then...
Where'd you get her?
I'm in North Carolina.
An alien? What kind of cat is she? She looks almost Siamese.
She's a Singapore. They look very similar.
Singapore, yeah. What's her name?
Her name's Lily.
Lily.
She's
How
full
old
grown.
is she?
She's just about 9 months now.
I never took my cats out, and she shouldn't get used to it because she'll cry all the time to go out. So, you might think you're doing her a favor, but
I was thinking it might be fun to go for walks with her.
they're not like. Have you ever had a cat before?
I have.
Yeah. And
See, she's very very much like a dog. She plays fetch. She can do all sorts of tricks.
I had a cat that played fetch. With a bottle cap, I would sit on the bed and I'd throw it. He'd pick it up and drop it right next to me and sit there like this, waiting for me to throw. He could play for hours.
That's how this one is. I just got another little one too, called a Bengal. They look like cheetahs.
So you have two cats?
Yep.
What's the other one's name?
Her name is Isis, like the Egyptian goddess.
Oh, very different from Lily. Hello, sweetie. I love cats.
Figured if you can't have dogs, I'll get cats.
I miss when my son was little. We had guinea pigs, and we had a hamster that bit one of us and died. And the health department said we have to test him for rabies. Save the body. Okay.
That's crazy.
Well, I didn't want to put him in the fridge, and there was snow on my windowsill, so I wrapped him up and put him in the snow on the windowsill. And someone from the Board of Health came and got him, and everything was okay. I didn't have to leave him.
That's ridiculous. Oh, she's actually doing pretty well out here.
She could pick up. I have food in here. I think that's why she keeps coming back to me.
I think she's just friendly. She's not like really afraid of people.
Hi, honey.
My other cat, she acts like a cat.
Hi.
But
Hi.
eventually she won't.
Does she sleep with you?
Yep.
How about the other one?
The other one is learning. If the two of them are in the same room, then the other one won't. She's still well. But the other one's only 12 weeks old. I just got her 2.5 weeks ago.
Also from North Carolina?
No, that one was from Brooklyn. Because more people breed Bengals.
Okay, Brooklyn and North Carolina.
They get along fine. Just this one has a much better attitude.
Well, she's older.
Yeah.
4 months, you said?
9.
9 months.
She's full grown already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're the smallest cat breed. Singapore's only grow to be 4.5 pounds or so. So she's 4.5 right now.
So baby.
Yeah, the other one is only 3 months old. I just got her, and she weighs almost the same amount.
Really?
Yeah, as a kitten. She weighs about a pound less.
Well, someday I'll knock on your door to play with it because I really miss my cat.
Oh, absolutely.
I really miss.
I have two. Whenever you want, just let me know. That's what we do.
I have to go away. I'll cat sit.
I'll see you later.
We used to have an arrangement with a neighbor. I would take care of hers and she would take care of me.
That's nice. Well, I'll see you later, Charlotte.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
I've never seen a cat on a leash.
This is Lily's first walk.
Huh. How old is he?
She is 9 months.
Oh, just a baby, huh?
Yep. She's doing very well for her first walk.
Huh. How cute.
I'm waiting for somebody from the co-op board to say something and say, you can't have dogs walking around here. It's not a dog. I read the rules. It says no dogs on the premises.
Yeah,
It doesn't say anything about cats.
I know. A lot of people have cats, I think.
That's the reason I got.
Yeah.
But I go to Singapore because you can train them and teach them just like a dog. She does all sorts of tricks. She plays fetch. She
Really?
does paw.
How do you keep a cat from climbing on the table and the counter and all that stuff?
You don't. I mean, I know the answer. What you're supposed to do. Either double-sided tape is one thing they say, or you can put a tray so that when they step on it, they hit the tray falls off and the sound scares them. But I don't want to do that because what if the tray hits her?
Yeah. And the double-sided tape, they get all stuck to it and they don't like it?
She touched it and didn't care. She was just like touching it. She thought it was fun.
Oh.
So honestly, at this point, I just kind of...
She's cute.
Yeah, I built like a separate door to separate the hallway to the bedrooms.
Yeah.
So when I'm not home, they have... Because I have another little one too.
Uh-huh.
They have the 2 bedrooms and they have the whole hallway.
Oh, okay.
So it's not so bad. And then when I'm home, I can monitor them.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll see you later. It's a person. It's her first walk. She doesn't know what to do. Let's try the park area. Freaked out. Here, look, it's a little area to play in. Though he's completely out of her element. She seems to like this area more. I'm gonna try this, her following me. What will she do? I think she's trying to make her way back home. The thing is, we have rabbits around here. I was really hoping a rabbit would come out to see if she'd chase it. Pretty cool stuff. Lily's getting used to being outside. What's this? A bench? Pretty cool. Now once she gets used to this, we can go for a real walk. Very cool. I think the co-op board is going to be making new signs after they catch wind of a cat walking around the property. But in the meantime, I'm not breaking any rules. So all the signs say, no dogs allowed, private property. So now, let's say I teach her how to walk. The next step will be, can I teach her how to swim? And I can bring her to my uncle's pool. That'll be pretty cool. Should have brought one of her toys out here. That would have been smart for next time. That way she'd be comfortable fetching something. Or just playing with it in general. Let's see if she'll follow me if I start walking this way. She doesn't like me leading her. Okay, so clearly cats can walk on leashes, and some people have seen videos of Bengals and Savannas specifically. Clearly Singapores can too, for those who were curious. I think more than anything it has to do with the temperament of the cat. If you have a stubborn cat who is not very affectionate, kind of just does her own thing, I don't think it matters what breed she is, as far as the tricks and everything are concerned. But provided that you have a cat that has a personality like Lily, and many people do, I see no reason that you can't get a little harness and a leash. Anyway, this concludes the video. Until next time.